Hi, I'm Vinod Nair. I'm the Managing Director for Softline India. Been involved at the helm of Softline right from its inception about 5 years back. We are largely a digital transformation and a cybersecurity solution provider, trying to address growth pangs of organizations as well as customer retention strategies for our customers. We're basically a partner to a few cloud organizations like Microsoft. Microsoft being our mainstay from a product perspective, and we essentially cover three parts of the solution to customers. One is on productivity, which we call as modern workplace, where we look at customers, employees, associates, management, all of them, how to improve the productivity associated with each of those knowledge workers within the organization. So that's one part of the business. The second part of the business is to use the power of cloud to start giving customers business benefits around use cases of AI, ML, use cases of data center transformation. It could be as basic as SAP on Azure, or it could be as complex as using a data factory to churn around some analytics and providing intelligence associated with that. The third side of our business is actually encompassing both of them. It is overarching both of them, which is cybersecurity, where we make sure that any technology investment that the company does, the moment when it goes outside the organization or outside the enterprise on the cloud, there is a different format of cybersecurity rules of the game that you need to abide by, and that's what we try and consult the customer on. So three buckets of our work that we do and all the services associated with that. One is obviously huge improvement on productivity. All our 700 plus customers as well as our 125 odd annuity customers swear by one simple thing, that we've been their partner of choice from a perspective of being able to actually consume and give them actual productivity enhancements in their investments on technology. So that's one thing, and the reason we do that is because of our huge services backing that we have to actually deliver those particular solutions. The second one is on intelligent cloud, where our capability of actually consulting the customer on how to go about cloud migrations or how to go about using the use case on cloud. And the third being on cybersecurity services, where we take it more from a perspective of a managed services rather than just looking at an instance of cybersecurity consultation. We offer solutions to address not just the growth pangs, but also look at it from a perspective of cost optimization and productivity increments. As far as the customer base in India is concerned, we are there in most of the larger enterprises, currently counting at about 750 plus customers in India alone. And Softline actually plays the role on digital transformation on both the aspects. One is to use the power of cloud to actually try and help organizations give a larger ROI for their digital transformation projects by making it more towards the ground, a lot of years on the ground to give them solutions that are making sense for their growth strategy. And at the same time, when it comes to the cost aspect, we are also looking at customers from a perspective of using digital transformations to reinvent their business model to make sure that whatever issues that they're facing in the industry from a consolidation standpoint is also addressed. Overarching all of this is the whole cybersecurity part of the layer. We've been largely direct to customer. That's the reason why, even if it is 750 customers, if you see our tech sales force is far higher. We are with about you could say 25 odd account managers, associates who are handling customer relationships. But we look at it from a perspective that we also have a huge technical solution sales, which actually helps us gets the stickiness. So our go-to market from a customer perspective very clearly is direct touch with an industry knowledge. So most of our solutions that are there are associated with a particular vertical, whether it is got to do with productivity. I'll give you a solution on productivity in manufacturing. I can give you a different solution on productivity in financial services or any other segment that we may say. And similarly, when it comes to the other two pillars of our business.